Takže dámy a pánové, vás vítám u nového videa a je to hra Help Wanted. Ano, tato hra vyšla na mobil, ale není to plná verze. Máme tady jako něco málo, Takže tak a ještě jsem vám chtěl popřát šťastný a veselý Vánoce, jelikož toto video natáčím 20. takže za 4 dny jsou Vánoce, tak ať jste šťastný a tady budu kecávat teda a jdeme rovnou na to. A jelikož tohle je nová hra, takže bych chtěl zkusit nový mod, ale nevím jaký. Takže abych asi dal dáme Dark Rooms. Jdeme na to. OK. Takže je to samý jak s tím tady to máte, jak se jmenuje. S tím malým Springtrapem, vole. A ty vole. Muziku. Jde to. Nesmí se. Až vidím. Užíček. A tady je. Já to vidím. Jelikož tady jsme to nějak buglo a já to prostě vidím. OK, baby, vyhráli jsme. My jsme vyhráli. OK, tady nic moc. Máme tady dáreček. Co to je? More, tak creepy. Zahoď to. Scrub baby. Pohoda. Tak, teď asi jediný, co bych teď asi dal, je Parts and Service. Takže jdeme na to, baby. OK. Musím vlastně poslouchat.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
Okay, takže
Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left.
Asi sám, že?
Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and
Co ti je, more?
it from its socket.
Zkusíme to znova teda.
Welcome back to Parts and Service. Oh no, it looks like Bonnie's guitar is out of tune and must be recalibrated. First, we must access his harmonization module located inside his secondary throat pipe. To access the throat pipe, both eyes must first be removed. You must be as precise as possible when removing the eyes from their respective sockets. First, firmly grip Bonnie's left eye and carefully remove it from its socket. Great job. Deposit the left eye in the cleaning receptacle on your left. Well done. Now, firmly grip Bonnie's right eye and carefully remove it from its socket.
Já to prostě nejde, já to dělat nebudu. OK, menu. Takže vybereme asi jiný mod, bych dal, a to bych dal asi... Dáme teda FNAF 1, 2. OK, mask, OK. A musíme přežít do 6 do rána, jak je to u FNAFka zvyklý. Jaj. Okay.
During your first week here and to help you get started down this new and exciting career path. Now, I want you to forget anything you may have heard about the old locations, you know. Some people still have a somewhat negative impression of the company. That old restaurant was kind of left to rot for quite a while, but I want to reassure you, Fazbear Entertainment is committed to family fun and above all, safety.
Okay.
They've spent a small fortune on these new animatronics. Facial recognition, advanced mobility, even let them walk around during the day. Isn't that neat? But most importantly, they're all tied into some kind of criminal database so they can detect a predator a mile away.
Chci třeba zahodit, že by? Okay, hele, asi nikdo neviděl.
Now, from what we know, that should be impossible. That restaurant should be the safest place on Earth. So while our engineers don't really have an explanation for this, the working theory is that the robots were never given a proper night mode. So when it gets quiet, they think they're in the wrong room. So then they go try to find where the people are, and in this case, that's your office.
Okay.
So our temporary solution is this. There's a music box over by the prize counter, and it's rigged to be wound up remotely. So just every once in a while, switch over to the prize counter video feed and wind it up for a few seconds. It doesn't seem to affect all of the animatronics, but it does affect one of them. And as for the rest of them, we have an even easier solution. You see, there may be a minor glitch in the system, something about robots thinking he was an endoskeleton without his costume on, and wanting to stuff you into a suit. So hey, we've given you an empty Freddy Fazbear head. Problem solved. You can put it on any time, and leave it on for as long as you want. Eventually anything that wandered in will wander back out. Something else worth mentioning is kind of the quirky modern design of the building. You may have noticed there are no doors for you to close. But hey, you have a light, and even though your flashlight can run out of power, the building cannot. So don't worry about the place going dark. Well, I think that's it. You should be golden. Check the lights, put on the Freddy head if you need to. Keep the music box wound up. Piece of cake. Have a good night, and I'll talk to you tomorrow.
To trvá strašně dlouho, než se to topí. OK, někdo zatím. Kámo, 4 ráno. Dělám, co můžu. Dobijeme úplně na maximum. Víš jak? Úplně na max. Dobijem. Tak, dobré. 5 ráno. Nevím, kde je. A asi budu aj rád. Kde budu zahrát? Jaj, mora se posral. Vůbec se mi nesměj. 2 kola. Ještě bych mohl zkusit teda. Asi bych zkusil novej, teda ještě jeden mod, a to je Night Terrors. A Circus Baby, vole, takže jako OK. Ale jsem dal nějakou sérii, no. Čo má se ale zvýšilo, že? Nemluv na mě. Tak já si budu stěžovat. Já ona mě zabíjela. Restart. Hned. Na míru. Nic, 2 kola. Jak neví, ne? Já i tak ví. To prdele! Tak ví, no. Restart. 2 kola. Já tomu nedávám prostě už. To dáme do 6. Víš jak? Čum, teď se nás všimne. Můžeme takhle animatory kámo chodit po pokoji, tak by mi asi mrdlo. Kámo, to je creepy. To je creepy, kámo. No, já vím, že nezavřu, no, ale jako... Proč je furt cítí oči? Ještě jsou tady ty panenky, ty. Já se bojím otevřít dveře, vole. To je chodí jak naprcaný kačet. Já se jakoby bojím, no. No tak jako když se kouknu kolik je, jakože to natáčím o půlnoci, víš jak. To si dáš prdel. Jdeš do prdele. Kámo, to je creep, jak tam stojí. Čum, ne? Jak čeká úplně. Nechce se třeba někam hnout? Stojíš tu, čumíš nám jak kretén. Takže jako nevím, co jsem se takhle hrál. To asi poděláme. A 3. Tak já nevím, tak si zalezem do skříně, třeba se to spraví.
Where are you? Where are you? Where are you?
3 hodiny ráno. 3 hodiny ráno.
Want to see the scooping room?
Nechci žádný scooping room. Hejle. Pěstí dostaneš. Kolik? 4 ráno. Tak to můžu mít otevřený šatník, víš? Já se tak užívám, když po mě nikdo nejde. Je tak boží.
I guess you forgot about me.
Jasně, bejků.
Where are you?
Ne, 2 kola. Kam proč má 5 prstů, vole. Vím, že v tom má helium, vole. Šupe, vole.
See the scooping room?
Jo, jasně. Dýcháš helium, vole, piču po večerech. Jo, vole.
I heard your call.
No, jen se přiznej. Ty svině. Přiznej se, vole.
I guess you forgot about me.
2 kola. Nemluv na mě. Za chvíli bude 6. A já vyhraju. A ty prohraješ.
It feels like.
Ne, vůbec neskoušej. Ne,
Did you have a gift?
nemluv na mě. Ale jako vyhrali jsme. OK.
It feels like.
Prohrala.
Great lengths to create an authentic VR experience, including using scanned photographs for reference and using original performance routines where applicable.
No, dobrý. Tak jo, a já si myslím, že teda to bylo všechno. Když tak se vidíme u druhého dílu ze hry Helbo Wanted a já se s váma loučím a těším se u dalšího videa. Zatím čau.